have horns.
You have horns.
Oh, my hair. Kids Toy Corner. Hello, everybody. This is Kids Toy Corner, and today I'm showing my toys.
Yay! You want to open it?
Yeah.
What is this?
A white horsey.
Yeah, and what he's doing?
He's trying to eat the hay.
Which one you want to start? What is
A
this?
baby cow horsey.
Baby calf horse. You're so smart. You call it baby foal.
Oh.
The horse is foal.
Oh.
Yay! What he's doing? Wait. Is he laying down?
Yep.
Is he very young?
Like this.
Yes. Is he very young? Maybe he's just born. Like what the horse follows. Beautiful. And what's this?
Mommy horsey.
And what the mommy horse is doing? What she's doing? Lily?
She's eating hay.
She's eating hay. She can eat the grass too, yes?
And the water.
So it's called grazing. She's feeding. You get farm animals. You know that, yes? Okay, and who is this?
Kitty.
Kitty? One kitty or two kitties?
Two kitties.
What they doing?
They're playing around.
The kitties are playing with the yarn ball. Wow, that's the most favorite. You know what they're going to do? They're going to untangle it, and it's going to be like long. And whoever has the yarn, it'll be like, oh no, kitties, kitties. What do kitties say?
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow. Yes, that's a beautiful sound. So, you wanna? Oh, then when they're angry, they do that. Yes. Yes. But yes. Okay. What do you wanna do next?
A dog.
Yes. And what the sounds doggy's making? What?
Ruff, ruff.
Wow!
Ruff,
Beautiful.
Ruff, ruff.
Beautiful. Is it beautiful, doggy? This one is Labrador. Have you remember Marley and me?
Yeah.
Marley and me? That's a Labrador. Okay.
Celebration! Whee! On my celebration! Ruff, ruff.
Oh, you think the kitties and the dog don't like each other? Sometimes it happens that many times they like each other. Okay. Okay, you wanna see another animal? Okay, who is this?
Duck.
That's a goose.
It's dirty.
It's a goose. This is the brand new Schleich Lilly. This one was just released. So this is brand new figurine. Mommy bought it they were basically first time in the stores like a week ago. So this is new goose. And they are taller than ducks. So what is this? This is a duck. And this is a goose. And the goose doesn't have to be white necessarily, but the farm geese are usually white. Okay, so goose. Okay, Lily, and then let's show the duck. What this duck is doing? It looks
Sitting
like a drake.
underwater.
Looks like a drake duck, yes. And
Can
then the ducks and the goose, they like water.
It's like sitting on like a glass.
Yes. And what the duck sound make?
Quack, quack,
Quack, quack.
quack,
Beautiful.
quack, quack,
Quack, quack,
quack,
quack.
quack, 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 quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Yay!
Quack, 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 quack.
You didn't have the swimming duck ever before.
No.
So we can put it in the lake on our play mat and he can swim. And who is this?
Pig.
Is that a mommy pig or daddy pig?
Daddy.
How do you know? Is he bigger?
Yeah, he's big.
So this is a boar. So this is a daddy pig.
Look, he's looking for
He's
food.
a male. We never had this one before. And what sounds the piggy makes? What sounds pig makes?
I'm Daddy Pig and I'm Peppa Pig.
You're Peppa Pig and this is Daddy Pig. So, oh wow, that was Daddy Pig sound. That was good. That was a horse sound. Okay, what is next? Look. This is a sheep. And this one, we just had a baby like this. This one is
Yeah. Mommy,
this one is really cute.
can you give me that?
What sound sheep makes?
Ah!
Bah,
Ah!
bah. That's a pig. That's not a sheep. So when farmers has a sheep, what they do with their hair?
cut them. Like,
Cut them, and then they make wool from the
okay.
hair. Yes, they cut them in the summer when it's very hot. Ma,
Bleh,
ma,
bleh,
ma,
bleh,
ma.
bleh.
What do you think is this? Is that another sheep?
Black sheep.
Yeah.
Black sheep.
There would be a black wool from it, yes? Okay, so would black sheep make a sound for a black sheep? And this is P2 donkey. Okay, Lily, do you remember the donkey sound? The most beautiful. So this is daddy donkey sound or my own baby donkey sounds you're making?
Mommy!
Mommy donkey, I make a baby donkey sound now. I like your baby sounds, they're not so loud. This is so cute. So this is donkey. That's Piggy again.
I like the sound.
Like Piggy sound? So this is donkey fall. So this is the young donkey, baby donkey. Look, we have our donkeys before, but these have like long fur. Okay, what is this?
Baby doggy.
Baby doggy. You know what is this? This is Australian Shepherd. I find you Australian Shepherd doggy. So this is Australian Shepherd baby doggy. So what baby doggy? What does the sounds make baby doggy?
Woof, woof, woof.
Beautiful. You know the Australian Shepherds are the ones who are actually watching the cattle. The ones who watching the sheep. Remember Babe movie? So this one is the baby. Look what we have here. They all what?
Cow.
Yes, they all cows.
Some of them are bulls.
Yes, and some of them are calves. Mommy wanted to show you that the cows can be different. Do you see? They all different. Every single one of them is different. So this one has a black and white spot. Can you tell me why they're different?
Sure. So bulls have horns.
Yes.
And cows don't have horns.
Oh, actually in this one, yeah. This one is Simmental cow. And as you see, the bull has a horns and...
I have horns.
You have horns.
Oh, my hair. And you have... Okay, let's go you.
Oh, man.
And you have one horn.
I have a one horn. Okay, Lily, look, and they have different colors.
Yeah.
And some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller, yes?
Boom, boom, boom.
And look, and this one has a huge horns. Yes? So Lily, this is Texan Longhorn Cow, and you had a bull before. Look, I have it actually here. It's sticking out. It's supposed to be. Look, this is Texas Longhorn Cow, and then you have a
Hey,
bull.
they're friends.
Yeah, they are family. This is Mommy and Daddy Cow. Look.
This is Mommy?
Yes, I just
This
got you
is
look.
Daddy.
Yes, I just because Mommy has a milk. Yes.
Yeah. And it has milk.
Yes.
And then right here.
Yes, right here. And do you like
She
milk?
needs to find a baby.
Yes, we have a baby Longhorn. I'll show you later. We will, once we're done with this, I'm going to find all the toys matching and we will show. Lily, is milk good?
Yeah.
Is milk healthy?
Yeah.
Do you drink milk every day?
Yeah. I drink one a day.
Yes.
In the morning.
In the morning, yes. Lily drinks milk. Okay, so we have a family. So this is Texas Longhorn Bull.
Oh, this is so heavy.
Wow, yes. And this is Texas Longhorn Cow.
It's heavy than it looks.
Can I show this? Okay, so this is also brand new release. Yes, this is Simmental Bull. This is one of the biggest cows. So he's really, really huge.
And heavy.
And are the bulls nice or you should like avoid bulls?
Avoid bulls.
Yes. If you see the cows and bulls on the field, go to say them hi. Okay, and can we show the Simmental cow then? Please? Yeah. This is the cow. So she's smaller than the bull. Can you tell us what sound the cow makes?
Moo!
Beautiful. And what do you think the bull will make sound? Moo.
Moo!
You'll be like moo. Lily, what is this?
Baby.
Is that a cow?
Yeah.
The new Schleich 2016 was just released. So this is Simmental cow, bull and the calf. And what about this? This is the Holstein. We had the cows like this, yeah? What they have? Black and white spots?
Yeah.
The daddy, the bull, this is bull. Bull doesn't have a milk. Okay. And can you tell us bull sound again? Okay, and this is Hereford bull. So this is different. You see, each of them is different. How cool is that?
Yeah.
This is bull. Lily, do you want to count animals for us?
Yeah.
Okay, go hard.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
How many you have?
18!
Yay! Lily got to the 18 new animals. They all farm animals. Yay! So Lily, do you want right now to find the missing family members for those animals? Where's
Mommy
this?
pig.
Mommy pig. You want to show the mommy pig and daddy pig?
Yeah. Look.
Yeah. So you see, the daddy pigs looks
It's
bigger.
smelly. It's smelling.
They smelling?
It's smelling food.
Yes, you see, the male pig is bigger. Yes. And if we call him boar,
No, let's call him Piggy.
piggy. Okay, so this is daddy and mommy
or we can
pig.
call him Cat.
Yeah. Okay.
We can call him Hare.
Okay. And I want to bring you mommy for the little
Baby.
Australian Shepherd.
Beep, beep, mommy, mommy, mommy.
Yeah. Oh, they like each other. And then,
There's a baby C.
can you find his mommy?
Yes.
Mommy.
Ma.
They are the same. So we have a family. And who's this?
A baby cow.
Baby cow. Do you think it is Longhorn?
No.
Yeah. Look, this is Longhorn. He's so little and he already has a small heart.
Yeah, but he has to be bigger to get bigger, bigger,
Yes,
bigger, bigger.
but you see, he has the same spots like his mommy and daddy. So this is. Can we show? Can I show to everybody? So this is Texan Longhorn, and this is his rest of his family here. Yay! Good job. Thank you, Lily, for helping me. And who is
A
this?
baby cow.
Baby cow. So this is a calf, and this is the Holstein cow. So where's his daddy? Here, you know it. And then I have mommy.
A mommy cow.
Mommy cow. So we have a Holstein cow family. Wow. And then this is another Holstein cow. So we have a bigger family.
Yeah.
And then the last one. Too much
A dog.
The dog. Quack, quack,
Quack,
quack.
quack.
Oh, that's it. That's a
Goose,
goose.
goose,
Goose.
goose, goose.
That's a duck. Lily said she wants to feed her animals. So what food do you want to mommy to
Apple,
give you?
carrot, and that's all.
Do you need a farmer?
Yeah.
Do you need a farmer? Okay. So Lily's getting a farmer.
Hey, I need to check all my animals.
Okay.
Hey, Goose, how you doing, buddy? How you doing, buddy? What's up, man?
My
What's
friend.
up, Goose? You're my best friend. I just want to squeeze you and hug.
Oh wow. Lily, you got a whole wheelbarrow of vegetables and fruits. You want to show that to everybody?
Yeah.
And
These are apples.
and apples are fruit.
Yeah.
Apples are fruit. And Lily likes apples too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
And
now show
carrots.
vegetables. Carrots are vegetables.
Hey, give me,
What is the magic word?
please.
Okay.
Yeah,
We have a
corn.
green hay, so it's like a straw.
And
These are your bowls for the waters, okay?
Yeah.
Water.
The duck is taking in the bath in the water.
Duck is taking the bath in the water.
Look. And then we're washing him off.
Oh, we need a real pond for the duck.
Look,
Yeah.
this is his pond.
This is his pond. Okay, that's cute.
And now he's done washing.
He's done washing. Okay, so now, Lily, why don't you feed the animals?
Okay.
What animals will eat seeds? Birdies. And then the horses can eat oats too. So seeds. So
Yeah.
put them seeds first. So they're going to be pecking. Yeah. Okay. And then donkeys. Oh, they are already eating. Yay!
And look,
And the
here's
horse-
an apple in the
They
bowl.
will like apples
And
too.
here's water.
You want to give something to cows? You can give them you can give them hay and straw.
I did.
Give cows? I see nothing with cows.
I'll give something to cows like apples.
I found something else. Beets. I think piggies will like beets too.
Here, beets. Stealing your piggies. And here's some apple cow.
Yes. Good job.
He's eating orchid.
Yes, it's important to feed your animals.
And then we would have enough left.
Okay, they have to share, okay? And then you have still hay and straw in the middle. So give some hay to the cows too. Lily, is Farmer sleeping?
Yep.
Look who came to the farm. Is that his daughter?
Hey, Daddy, you want to feed some animal? Sure, daughter. Just put all the food in this.
Yes.
Give this in this. Then this wheeler. And then you do the hay next. Okay? Okay, Daddy.
Such a nice family. Cute Lily.
Here, Hershey. You want some hay? Okay. Here.
Yeah.
Here's some straw. And you want some apples too? And you need a ball. Oh yeah, there we go.
She's doing such a great job.
He has water.
What is the name for the girl? What is her name?
This?
The girl.
Emily.
Emily? Yes. What is your favorite animal, Lily? From all the gods, this horse. Do you want to give him a name?
I want to give her Majesty.
Majesty? Are your all horses a Majesty? Okay. Please write us in the comment what is your most favorite animal from all the ones we showed today. Okay?
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, please.
Yes, guys, if you like this video, please give us thumbs up. We will know that we have people who like them.
And click that button next to my head.
So if you subscribe to our channel, if you click subscribe button, you will get a notification when we get new videos.
Yeah.